What's up, guys? Today I will discuss about how to earn money online in Canada. So I will give you a 12 way to make money online in Canada and other servers. There are a lot of reasons of considering money making online. It can be continuous form of passive income. It can also be a cool side hustle to bring in some extra dollars on top of your 9 to 5. Maybe you have a specific goal in mind like saving or vacation or trying to get out of debt. Regardless of your intention, using the internet as a means to make money in the worth of the efforts. Creative ways to make money online. Using online platform as a way to make money seem a bit daunting, but it's not always as complicated as it seems. There are even ways for clients to make money online. You have so many different options to creative make money online. It's likely that this one or more these options will be appealing. Here's a list of how you can capitalize of the internet to either make a living or earn some extra dollars. Start a Nike blog and leave affiliate marketing. Start a blog is the one of the easiest point of entry for making money online. There are reasons that it's not focused on a specific topic. It's not enough to be a cool blogger anymore. You need to be a blogging about cafes in rural areas of Canada. While the example may not be enough, that your audience knows exactly what they are getting every single time. And once that audience is identified, it makes affiliate marketing that how much more effective. Affiliate marketing is when you earn a commission of a generated traffic or a sales or a retailer you have partnered with. It's usually accomplished through posting like on your blog page that attract your audience to some products outside of your site. Your blog must be nice so you can identify painters that fit your content. Using a rural cafes example, you likely wouldn't post affiliate links of the vocation to South America. You have want to keep the affiliation to some closer or rural cafes. List of affiliate networks in Canada. Some of better affiliate programs in Canada include Owner Affiliate Program, Rakuten, Link Connect, Link Bank, ShareAzet, Max Bounty, Share and Sale. Start an e-commerce website and sell products online. Do you think you have a or can produce a product that people want? If so, then a start e-commerce site might be your best option. You shall have the chance to sell product directly to consumer with no middle person. Of course, this means you shall have to take a heavy share of the responsibilities that include the following: a website to host your products, a merchant account to accept payment, something like Stripe or PayPal, logistic strategy, meaning a way to accept order and deliver products to a consumer, somewhere to host all your products, a marketing strategy so people are aware of what are you saying. If you don't have your own product, you can also consider selling products that are not your own through dropshipping. Dropshipping does not involve you making or keeping any products. How it works is that you offer products for sale website, you fulfill those orders by to decide whatever you want to sell commodities, essential products in high demand. Nike product of a combination of both. You shall then need to decide which platform to sell on, regardless of you are selling your own products or collaborating products to sell online. Some popular platform options include Shopify, fulfilled by Amazon FBA. The major benefit of dropshipping is that you do not need to purchase product upfront. You don't need to purchase any product until you get paid by the customer. This is a lower risk than selling your own product, but also takes more work in curating the right mix of products that will be enticing enough for customers. Find freelancer job. Freelancing is a great option if you enjoy working on a multiple projects. You can pretty much freelance and skills writing, photography, graphic designing, handler, person developer, and never need to commit to any single project for too long of a period. Freelancing is a proven way to make some extra cash if your goal is to make a living as a freelancer. However, you shall need to secure several gigs at the same time. One contract rarely pays enough to cover the cost of living. The mean you shall need develop some kind of system for finding leads, learn how to craft code pitches, and understanding where the opportunity of work outside of regular channels. These are some solid platforms to find jobs for freelancer: Upgrade, 99 Design, Fiverr, TaskRabbit, Skyward, Freelancer.com. Each specific industry will have its own set of freelance platforms, but these are great place to start. Promoting yourself as a freelancer. Being a freelancer make your own boss on boss. There's no one handing you work and telling you get it to done. You shall have to take the intellective part of intellective involves marketing yourself through various channels depending strictly on a freelance platform to find your high paying jobs. Won't cut it. People need now what you do. Social media is the one of the first places you should start. You should be surprised what kind of response you shall get if you just let your friend know what kind of services you are offering. Posting about what you do is on tactic. What's more effective is compiling a list of your friends that you think may be interested in your service or now someone who might be interested. Send these friend a personal message. They shall become your first awardee. Another means of promotion that freelance ignores is panthering articles. Sponsoring agencies signing into an recruitment agency reduce the amount of effort it takes to find leads. Agencies and typically connected to several large companies that are looking to engage freelancers. The contracts with agencies tend to be larger because they also need a cut. Some of the well-known agencies include 99 Designer, Tundra Technical, Creative Circle, and Stand Flex on Demand. Freelancing is fun and does give you a degree of control over your own time, but you shall still be working with deadlines that need to meet. Don't so think all your days will be wide open. Time management will be key along with the strategy. Resilient, keep pushing through the months where checks are not spilling. Staying resilient enough to keeping the months with cash. Start a YouTube channel of all the ways to make money on it. Spread with the boldest you can or shy. You shall need to have some technical know-how and you absolutely must be consistent. That's why some YouTuber make serious income and you don't need to be a more charismatic personality to get there. Before you go out and buy a fancy camera and lighting, take a step back. The most important step in starting YouTube is figuring out why. Not why you want to try YouTube, but you should anyone watch that you are proceeding. This is one of the top reasons the success of any YouTuber along with your videos will be about and who will they may be made for. The reason it becomes important to determine why anyone would watch your simple. YouTube is a highly saturated platform. Even if you think your videos are nice, there are likely thousands of videos already available on that topic. For that reason, you must start with a differentiator. What makes you different? Popular content on YouTube. Some content on YouTube tends to before then other educational videos, unboxing, video gaming, comedy, and vlogs are all popular. Product reviews or how-to videos are the two most popular. This is the no way means you should stick off any of these off. However, this gives you a gauge of what people are viewing. If your idea can stem how and of it your umbrella, you shall be in the for some tough competition, but you shall be seeing content stream with plenty of potential eyeballs. How to make money on YouTube. Teaching English online, how much money can you teaching online? The amount you can make varies, it depend on the platform and income, some cases on your experience. Some platform pay up to $25 per hour while some pay 0.17 cents per minute, which is adds up to roughly $10 per hour. If you join like Cambly, the requirements are a lot less rigid. Do jobs on an Amazon Mechanical Turk. Sell your craft on easy eBay. Getting step on Etsy, sell stock photos online, where to sell your photos, Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Getty Image 2020, Photola, Stock 500px. Become a virtual assistant, LinkedIn, Indeed, Upwork, people per hour. Transcribe audio and interview. Types of transcription, where to find transcription, give accurate and global, transcribe me, my other of it, transcribe me, daily transcriptions. So, that's our video, and if you like this video then must subscribe our channel and support us. Okay, take care, bye.